So, mate, what's Foreheads Golf and where can they find you?
Foreheads Golf. You find us on Instagram just at Foreheads Golf. Basically, what we are about are a group of friends come together playing golf. Decided we wanted to do something a bit for men's mental health.
Well, guys, good morning. Welcome back. Hope you all had a lovely Christmas. We're in for an absolute treat today. We've been invited down to Meon Valley Golf Course by Foreheads Golf, and we're going to have some fun today. A little bit new. I'm not going to lie, I'm not the greatest when it comes to golf. I don't know much about it, so it'd be pretty cool getting the drones involved. Most importantly, getting some really good footage of the lads and the ladies, of course. You know, golf has its misconception of being a middle-aged men's sport where they're hitting each other's balls into holes, and hopefully we can prove that's not the case. So we'll have a little bit of fun. I'll introduce you to Rikki a little bit later on, and he can talk you through what Foreheads Golf is. But anyway, guys, let's go meet Rikki and the lads and ladies, and hopefully we'll have a good day. Let's go.
So you're all going to have to, in your teams, you're all going to have every player's got to take 4 tee shots. I'll free round.
Rick, I'm going to put you on the spot quickly.
Yes.
So, mate, what's Foreheads Golf and where can they find you?
Foreheads Golf. You find us on Instagram just at Foreheads Golf. Basically, what we are about are a group of friends come together, playing golf, decided we wanted to do something a bit for men's mental health, and get more men out chatting, not necessarily about their feelings, but yeah, just getting out there and having a chat, fresh air, 4 hours on the golf course, and that's it really. Our aim is to just try and get as many people together from all around, and yeah, just get out there really.
Oh, brilliant, man, and a great cause. Well, thanks for inviting me along today.
You're welcome, thank you.
And I'll get involved myself in the summer.
Yep, definitely.
Cheers, Rick.
Cheers, mate. Thank you.
Well, everybody, what a cracking event, what a lovely day, and what a nice bunch of people. It was an absolute pleasure to have been invited down today by Rikki at Fore Golf. I'm going to leave all of his information, all of his ats, his YouTube, his Instagram in the description down below. So please do go and support his channel. Go and check him out because he's doing fantastic things with regards to suicide prevention and men's mental health in general. So today was a bit of an eye-opener for me. Never played golf, and it was really nice to get the drone up and capture some pretty cool footage. So as always, guys, a little bit different today. Different video. If you have liked it, drop a comment down below, hit the thumbs up, and please do subscribe, and I will see you all at the next video. We'll see you next week, and you're in for a treat. Thanks for watching.